Não encontrei ninguém que tenha a beleza dela. Sou do morro, sou favela, mas meu coração se apaixonou por essa Cinderela. Ela é da zona sul, loirinha de olho azul, e o impasse é o...
Good morning. Thank you for coming today. Let's with some question.
Good morning, thank you. So I'm ready.
Your name?
My name is Satria Wibawanto. I'm from University Muhammadiyah Pekajangan, Pekalongan.
Great. Tell me about a problem you solve with working with equation.
Sure, I was doing an experiment in the laboratory and suddenly a testing machine stopped working complete. It shut down and was not start again. We really need it to finish our work.
MC. That must have solved things done. What action did you take right away?
First, I turned off the main switch for safety. The dialog carefully at every part. I checked the power plug and electrical connection on by one. Finally, I found exactly where the fault was unaware and it became was undiscovered.
Okay. So you found the problems. What happened next? How did you fix it?
I used the problem to reconnect and examine that were firmly. I also got an early part to make sure nothing else was lost or damaged. After that, I turned the power back on slowly and tested the machine step by step.
And how did it go in the end?
Everything worked perfect. The machine ran smoothly, reading were stable, and it worked normally again just like before. We could continue and finish our experiment on time.
Thanks. Good to know. You stay calm and found the cause with what? Thank you for sharing your experience.
You're welcome. Thank you for the opportunity to explain.
Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.